In this video, I will show you now how to change your WeChat ID number without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, open up your WeChat app. Then go ahead and click on me right here. Then go ahead and click on WeChat ID. Then proceed to your ID right here. Bear in mind, you can only change your WeChat ID once in a year. For you to change your WeChat ID, go ahead and click on Change WeChat ID. And it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and enter your login WeChat password. Go ahead and hit on Verify. Verification success. Now enter your new WeChat ID. Having entered your new WeChat ID, go ahead and hit on Next. Your WeChat ID can only be changed once in a year. Go ahead and click on Here. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Update successful. And you are done. It's that simple. You can see your new WeChat ID right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.